Look at this, butter versus mayo in 3 steps. Can you taste it? Butter, a nostalgic, classic choice for grilled cheese lovers. Just imagine this. As it hits the pan, don't underestimate this one. Yes, the thing Mom made sandwiches with. This is the ingredient that is stealing the spotlight. It adds a unique twist to the traditional grilled cheese. But which one truly reigns supreme? Here at Oggi Mojo Kitchen, we analyze all of the options and form our own. We tested several slices of bread. What is the ideal temperature? We investigate the following metrics. How easy is the ingredient to find and use? Look at that, an easy one to judge, subjective to everyone's taste buds, but we show you our conclusion and what we think about the opinions of the pros. And finally, the winner. Let's welcome the contenders to the arena. In the red corner, its crown is undeniable. One problem is this: it needs to be softened. We can let our cold butter rest on the counter for an hour, or use this shortcut. This is the result. Next, we follow the methods laid out by other professionals. So we test it. We discovered that a very light coating of butter is the perfect amount. When softened, it spreads perfectly. A buttery, crispy bite that's amazing, and the results are in. Losing a few points because of the cost and the work it takes to spread. Earning every point for its golden and crisp crunch. Losing a point for the work it takes to watch. It might heat too fast. The buttery flavor from our childhood completes the journey in our search for flavor perfection. This video is about the difference of butter or mayo on a grilled cheese. You should also know the other ways to upgrade your grilled cheese. More about that later. Now, in the blue corner, fighting back with a secret weapon. This one was easy to apply, no preparation needed. The mayonnaise performed better than the butter. This gave us a chance to play with the temperature. We didn't have to watch it as much. Most commercial mayos have a secret ingredient. This adds a different level to the flavor. The temperature and cook time seems to match the other grilled cheese. Its high smoke point creates a sublime crispiness. This elevates the sandwich to a whole new level. Plus, it adds a subtle tang that tantalizes the taste buds. A crispy, delicious bite with a slight twist in the flavor that lands it into its own category. The score results are in. Almost everyone has a jar of mayo and it can be used right away, losing 2 points for how oily it is. It still holds a crisp toast and is tolerant to longer cook times. With its secret weapon, it gets high points. It loses 1 point for missing the classic taste we expect from a grilled cheese. As the two battle it out, it becomes clear that both contenders have their own unique strengths. After a few rounds of setting them up, we discovered this. Did you know this was the easiest way to test the heat of the pan? Each side takes about 2 minutes. So, who takes the crown on this grilled cheese battle royale? It all comes down to a matter of personal preference. Whether you're a traditionalist or a fan of bold flavors, both butter and mayo have their place on the grilled cheese throne. Our taste testers found that butter squeaks ahead to win with a nod toward nostalgia. But this isn't over. I haven't shown you a third option yet. Do you want to see how to create the cheesiest wow in grilled cheese mastery yet? It's in the next video lined up right here. You'll have an aha moment when you see that video. Watch it now. Stay cheesy.